In this tutorial, we're going to talk about multiplying by a scalar. At first, let's talk about the scalar. When you add the same vectors together, you are effectively multiplying the vector by a scalar. A scalar is a number that has magnitude but not direction. And so, the scalar shows how many times you add together the same vector. Let's just say you were adding AB twice. If you had this vector, AB, and you're going to add it twice, you're going to get 2AB. As it's said here, if you add AB vector to AB vector, you get 2AB vector. Similarly to A plus A, and that is 2A. Now let's just say we were going to add AB vector to itself 3 times. So it's going to be AB vector along with another AB vector and along with another AB vector. Basically equal to 3AB vector, as shown on the diagram. Since it is AB vector plus AB vector plus AB vector, we're adding it to itself 3 times. And so let's just say we had another vector. And this vector is parallel to 3AB vector and has the same magnitude. How can we find its components? Let's do this step by step. Let's just say we had CD. Now you can notice from the diagram, you can see that the vector CD is parallel to and has the same magnitude as the vector. So we can go ahead now and find out the components of CD, and that is through the components of AB. First you say vector CD is equal to 3 times vector AB. Now to find out the measurements and the components of CD, the first thing that you're going to have to do is to find those for AB. Now taking a closer look at AB, you can see that it is 4 units to the right on the x-axis, so that's 4, and 1 unit down along the y-axis, so that is -1, since we're going down. And so we say that AB vector has the components of vector 4 and -1. Now we say that CD is equal to 3AB. So it is the components 4 and -1 plus also the components 4 and -1 plus also again for the third time the components of vector 4 and -1. Notice that we added them 3 times, and that is because CD is equal to 3AB vector. And so that would be 3 times the components of the column vector 4 -1. And so that would be how you can calculate the component of the column vector. And that is through multiplying 3 by 4 and 3 by -1. And so this is how you can find the components of the column vector of CD. So 3 times 4 and 3 times -1, which will be 12 and -3. And so this is the column vector of CD. We multiplied it by the x component, and in such case it was 3. And that, in such case, is also what we refer to as the scalar. It defined the scale. And so this is how you can find the column vector through a scalar.